Nursery and kids bedroom dresser, universal design to match any nursery or kids bedroom, 3-drawer bedroom dresser, crafted of wood composites, laminated with a durable, easy to clean poo-coated surface, and includes Euro drawer glides, assembly required. Built-in changing topper, complete your Noah chest with a Graco premium contour changing pad. Graco Noah 3-drawer chest with changing topper fits any standard sized changing pad. Safety tested to meet or exceed applicable CPSIA and ASTM International category safety standards including ASTM F2057 safety specification for clothing storage units, intended to reduce furniture tip-over hazards to children aged 5 and under. Expert tested, Graco dressers are tested at third-party, accredited laboratories to meet or exceed all applicable category voluntary and mandatory safety standards. Packaging is tested to reduce the risk of incidental shipment-related damage. Award-winning brand, exclusively from Graco, proud recipient of the 2022 Women's Choice Award for 9 out of 10 customer-recommended baby and kids furniture and parent-tested parent-approved, PTPA, seal of approval. Top reviews from the United States. If a 7-month pregnant woman can put this together, so can you. Let me just say that this worked perfectly for the space I needed it. I wanted a medium-height dresser that could temporarily fit a changing pad on it, but this dresser had to be very specific dimensions of 33 by 17.5 and I lucked out that this was super close to that, and I ended up with about an inch on each side of space. Assembly took a while, I'll be honest. I'm 7 months pregnant with my second child, so I don't move the best, but when I saw all the pieces this came in, I almost freaked out. Overall, it took me about 4 to 5 hours over the course of 2 evenings. I did it by myself, so it was hard at a few points. A second person could be useful for when attaching the side for sure, but still doable alone. Overall I would buy it again, and I might actually buy one of the matching dressers later on as well. Durability has yet to be known since I just finished it last night, but the drawers all glide fine for now, and it looks great in my space.